Another day and something else needs welding. So here we have it. This is an attachment for the front loader of a tractor. It allows you to more easily put up sheep netting. The rolls of sheep wire go on the front on two spikes, and there's a tension on the side, and you can reverse along the fence and it puts out the wire nice and steadily, except those two spikes on the front for the rolls of wire are missing. This is where they should be, one broken off there and the other one clean torn straight out of the steel. So first job, use the Evolution track saw. What a bit of kit this is, to cut that piece of steel straight off the front. And then another Evolution tool, my Mitre chop saw. What a bit of kit this is, goes straight through this 100 by 50 piece of box section like it is butter. And that's all down to the tungsten carbide blades that Evolution use, which are fantastic. They're so quick and so clean, and they leave a burr-free cold cut, so you can pick up and use the metal straight away. Nice and accurate, it saves so much time. Anyway, with that done, time to jig it all up, get it clamped in place, get a few tacks on there just to hold it in position. Did have to pull it about, the impact of the crash had pulled the frame, so when I cut the front off it did all spring about, so I had to pull it around to get it all flat again. But there we go, quickly go around and weld it. Here are the remnants of the spikes, but we need those because we need the sharp and pointy tops. We're going to cut those off and reuse them. That's what we're doing here. Back over to the chop saw, cut off that little hat, and then we'll weld it onto a new piece of tube, or a new second-hand piece of tube, and we'll fit that to the front for the wire to go on once again. Now for this next bit I had to employ an Adam. So Adam rotated the piece of tube in the vise so that I could weld all the way around much more easily than doing it on my own. Get a continuous weld, grind it all off, make it nice and smooth. Then it was time to get yet another Evolution tool out of the box, my mag drill. Not often I use this, but when I do I really enjoy it. What I'm doing here is cutting holes in the top of the box section so that those tubes can slide in the top and I can weld around them, which will be a lot stronger than them just being welded onto the top surface of the box like they were previously. Although it is a good job that they were welded like that, because it meant that the spikes broke off easily and it didn't do any further damage. So there we are, that's it all welded. Hopefully lots of service to be had from it.